Hey everyone! Welcome back to Dolliecious Cravings. Today, lulutuan ko kayo ng super simple na dish. This is a Filipino dish. Last week, puro vegetables and meat ang kinakain namin, so this time naisip ko naman na fish naman for our diet with some vegetables pa rin. Gusto ko rin turuan ng mga kids ko na kumain ng healthy, kaya I want to set as a good example for them. First is clean your fish, then season it with salt. Gumamit ako ng paprika powder, squeeze some lemon. Medyo hiwain nyo ng slight yung fish para mas manuot yung mga seasonings and for easy cooking. Pag mainit na yung pan mo, then pour some oil. Pag mainit na rin yung mantika, isa-isahin nyo na ilagay yung fish nyo. At the public market, I was really looking for galunggong. Kaya lang naubos yung malalaking size, kaya natira yung mga maliliit na size. Kaya sa salmon mackerel na lang binili ko. Make sure that when you put your fish on the pan, it has enough space next to each other so madali siyang i-flip or baliktarin to cook to the other side. Once cooked, put your fish on the plate with the kitchen towel to absorb the excess oil. Now for the veggies, I use talbos ng kamote kung tawagin. Ang technique ko dito para half cook lang siya. Nagpakulo ako ng water, then saka ko siya nilagay. After a minute, I turn it off, then let it sit there for another 2 minutes. Saka ko siya sinala. So okra naman, cut nyo lang yung head ng okra. Then sa water, I added some salt and then put your okra. Add 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice as it helps to reduce the slimy texture of your okra. I'm sorry kung hindi ko na naipakita dito sa video, pero meron yan. And yes, super effective. Na-reduce talaga niya yung slimy texture ng okra. Cut other veggies like onions, cucumber, tomatoes, and then Filipino likes salted egg talaga because it perfectly matches with your fish and veggies. Once everything is cooked, then you can assemble it to your preference. By the way, if you are confused with galunggong and salmon mackerel like I am, let me help you with this. Si galunggong, mas bilog yung katawan niya, puti yung laman at hindi gaanong mataba. Sa salmon mackerel naman is mas mahaba at manipis, pinkish yung laman at mas oily. Did you know that salmon mackerel is healthier than galunggong? Because it is richer in omega-3, which helps the heart and brain. High in protein that is good for muscle growth. Contains vitamin D and B12, important for bones and blood circulation. Galunggong is healthy too, but it has slightly higher cholesterol than salmon mackerel. Which one is better? For heart health and brain function, choose salmon mackerel. For a budget-friendly, lean protein source, choose galunggong. Both are nutritious, but if you want more omega-3 and good fats, salmon mackerel is the better choice. There you have it. I hope you give this recipe a try. Please comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. Let's spread positivity, so no hate, just love. Happy cooking!